Hi, this is Greg with Superior Cleaning Equipment again. Thank you for watching this video. We're excited today because we have a new product launch. This is the SGD Stationary Gas Diesel Skid, or you could say Skid Diesel Gas. But this unit is our version of a 6 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI hot water skid unit. And it's got some features that are pretty unusual for the price point. And I'd like to walk you through them very quickly right now. First of all, you can see it's fairly tall, but it's also very narrow in terms of the depth from front to back. Mounting this on a trailer is going to be much easier. It's got, of course, a stainless steel top wrap. It's got adjustable thermostat. But if we're going through here, you got the general TS 2021 pump, solid pump, 7-year warranty on the back end of the pump. Pressure switch, separate unloader. You've got a heavy-duty belt guard here. You've got a Wayne burner, fuel water separator, beefy frame. Much more than any other unit in this price point. But I'd like to talk a little bit about some of the other features that most skids don't have that this one does. And if you come around to the front, you've got your gas and diesel right down here. Easy to service, but that's a 10-gallon gas tank and a 20-gallon diesel tank. Okay, and you've got a 690 Honda. That's a 24 horsepower Honda with electric start. On top of an industrial screen filter on the front end of it. Upstream chemical injection, although we don't normally use that. Again, adjustable thermostat, burner off and on. Right here is a 3,000 watt generator. This is a 12 volt burner system. We've ordered these machines in with 12 volt burners, so all of this juice, all 3,000 watts can go to your accessories. Vacuum, filtration, and reclaim systems, lights, other things like that. You really don't need to have a generator, which makes for a cleaner install. And we're going to be coming out with some complete trailer packages that have this unit integrated on that as well. The other thing about it is the serviceability. All wide open right in the front. You can get to everything. Our techs, your people, whoever's buying this unit, everything is right here in the front, including the generator. You've got your belt guard back here. Got your battery back here, but on top of that, everything's to the side. We're going to run this is a pop-off valve. We're going to run a line off of here so that doesn't interfere. But this unit, we're very, very pleased with. We have it made for us, custom made for us, and we look forward to showing it to you more and selling it to you. So this unit is going to be under $10,000. So you've got a 6 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI unit, 24 horsepower Honda, TS 2021 general pump, Wayne burner, all industrial components for under 10 grand with a 3,000 watt generator and a 12 volt burner. And it's very, like I said, the depth of it doesn't take up a lot of trailer space. So you'll be able to see this unit and more at www.sceclean.com or it'sadirtyworld.com, and we look forward to showing you more about it in the future. If you have any questions, please call us at 800-635-4903. You'll be able to buy this online or in person in our stores. We ship anywhere, freight free in North America, and we appreciate the business. Thank you.